Microsoft MB-280 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. You need to ensure that a user named user1 can assign salespeople to sales territories. The solution must use the principle of least privilege. To which security role should you assign user1? A. System customizer. B. Sales team member. C. Vice president of sales. D. Salesperson. The answer is C. To assign salespeople to sales territories, the user needs permissions to manage territory assignments, which is typically a higher-level responsibility. The Vice President of Sales role includes privileges related to managing sales territories, unlike the sales team member or salesperson roles, which are more focused on direct sales tasks. The System Customizer role does not specifically grant territory management permissions and is more focused on customization and configuration tasks. One of the data sources being ingested into Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data is Microsoft Dataverse. During the unification process, you need to identify the primary key. Which three data types can you use as a primary key attribute? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Choose 3. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Integer. B. Whole number. C. String. D. Boolean. E. GUID. The answer is BCE. In Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data, primary key attributes must uniquely identify records and be consistent across the data source. Whole number and GUID are commonly used data types for primary keys because they can uniquely identify records and are natively supported for primary keys in databases. String can also be used as a primary key if it uniquely identifies each record, e.g., an email address. Integer and Boolean are generally not used as primary keys in Customer Insights because they may not provide unique identifiers suitable for all scenarios. You are implementing Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data as the company's customer data platform. You set up the data sources and start the unification process. You need to identify the primary table within the Matching Conditions page. Which two criteria should you use to determine the primary table? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Choose 2. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Choose the table with the most complete and reliable profile data about your customers. B. Choose the table that has the most related tables. C. Choose the Dynamics 365 Contact (AB) when this is available as the data source. D. Choose the table that has several attributes in common with other tables. The answer is AC. When determining the primary table in Customer Insights during the unification process, the goal is to choose the table that provides the most robust and accurate customer profile information. Criterion A is crucial because having complete and reliable customer profile data ensures that the unified profile is accurate and comprehensive. Criterion C is recommended by Microsoft when using Dynamics 365 data, as the contact table often serves as the primary source of customer information within the Dynamics 365 ecosystem. While tables with many related tables or common attributes with other tables may provide supplementary information, they do not necessarily constitute the primary source for reliable customer data. You created and published lead scoring models in the Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys application. Your marketing team members inform you that they are not able to view the lead scoring insights. You confirm the lead scoring models are published and are live. You need the marketing team to be able to view the lead scoring insights. A. Republish the lead scoring models to allow the system to capture the insights. B. Assign the lead score viewer security role to the users. C. Set all leads to active state to capture the insights. D. Set automatic lead scores cleanup to no-low capture the scoring. The answer is B. For team members to view lead scoring insights, they must have appropriate permissions, specifically the lead score viewer role in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Even though the lead scoring models are published and live, without the correct security role, users will not have access to view the insights. Assigning the lead score viewer role ensures that the users have the necessary access rights to review the lead scoring insights generated by the models. An organization is using Microsoft Power Query when connecting to data sources in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. You need to load contacts to Customer Insights data using Power Query. Which is an appropriate action to take when using Power Query to ingest data? A. You must create a separate Power Query data source for each table you wish to ingest. B. You can only add additional columns to the data set in Power Query before the data source is created in Customer Insights data. C. After you save a Power Query data source, you have to manually trigger the initial refresh process. D. You can add additional tables to the data source using Get Data functionality in the Power Query. The answer is D. In Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data, when using Power Query to ingest data, the Get Data functionality allows users to add multiple tables from various data sources. This flexibility enables users to enrich the dataset by pulling in additional tables that may be related or necessary for the data unification process. Power Query in Customer Insights supports creating robust data flows by allowing multiple tables to be added within a single data source setup, providing a comprehensive data modeling environment. A company created a new table named Locations. The sales team needs your help to make the Locations table visible in the Sales Hub. What should you do? A. Create a location sub-area. B. Add location as an area. C. Create a location group. D. Add location to the app designer. The answer is D. To make a new table, like Locations, visible within the Sales Hub, you need to add it to the app designer. This involves updating the Sales Hub app module to include the Locations table as a new entity that users can access. By adding the table in the app designer, you ensure it becomes part of the navigation and is available within the Sales Hub application. A company is implementing the Dynamics 365 Sales mobile app. The company requires setup of several push notifications for sellers who use the app. You need to create the push notifications. Which feature should you use? A. Plugin. B. Cloudflow. C. Classic Dataverse workflow. The answer is B. Understanding the requirement. The company wants to send push notifications to sellers using the Dynamics 365 Sales mobile app. This requires setting up automated notifications triggered by certain events or conditions. Solution: using Cloudflows. Cloudflows and Power Automate are ideal for creating automated workflows that can trigger push notifications based on events in Dynamics 365. Power Automate provides connectors for Dynamics 365 Sales and mobile notifications, enabling the setup of push notifications without requiring custom code or plugins. You have opportunities that have values in multiple currencies. You manually update currency exchange rates once per month. You need to ensure that currency values are accurately reported. When is the new currency exchange rate applied to the opportunity records? A. When an opportunity changes the status reason. B. When the calculate rollup field system job for the MSDYN_project team table runs. C. When the calculate rollup field system job for the account table runs. D. When an opportunity changes the status. The answer is A. In Dynamics 365 Sales, currency exchange rates are applied to opportunity records when specific triggers occur. These exchange rates are updated manually on a periodic basis, e.g., once a month, to reflect current currency values. Exchange rates are recalculated for an opportunity when there is a change in the status reason, e.g., from open to won or lost. This trigger ensures that the most recent exchange rate is used when key changes occur in the opportunity lifecycle, maintaining accurate currency reporting. You are creating a pricing list in Dynamics 365 Sales. All prices must end and you need to select the function that establishes this pricing requirement. What should you use? A. Rounding policy. B. Percentage. C. Rounding amount. D. Pricing method. The answer is A. In Dynamics 365 Sales, the rounding policy feature allows you to control how pricing values are rounded, such as ensuring prices end in specific digits, e.g., nearest whole number or a specified decimal value. The rounding policy can be configured to automatically adjust prices to the nearest whole value or any other desired rounding amount, ensuring consistency with pricing requirements. This feature is especially useful for scenarios where pricing must conform to specific formats, such as all prices ending in 0 or 5. A battery manufacturer wants to sell their batteries in boxes of 12 and cases of 24 boxes. You need to set up a unit group so that the manufacturer can sell different quantities. What should you create first? A. Primary unit. B. Related unit. C. Base unit. The answer is C. In Dynamics 365 Sales, when setting up a unit group, you must first define the base unit. This is the fundamental unit of measurement for a product and serves as the foundation for defining related units within the group. For the battery manufacturer, defining a base unit, such as a single battery, is necessary before configuring related units for boxes of 12 and cases of 24 boxes, as these will be multiples or related units derived from the base unit.